Hey guys, John W. Loudermilk here. I wanted to make this video to show you how to log on to my website or cancel if you want to show you how easy it is and how user-friendly it is. So last year I launched Mountaineer Christian Studios, or MC Studios for short, and it's been awesome. The success we've had, and we've been really busy in the studio. But on top of that, I launched a website for guitar lessons. It's a guitar master course program and also songwriting. So if you're interested in learning how to improve or learning how to play guitar or songwriting, this has everything you need. And it's an online program. I've taught in person, but it's quite time consuming and it's a little harder for me to do these days. And I wanted to create something that you could literally take with you and do on the go, on any computer, on any device, in any time you want. You don't have to revolve around the teacher's schedule anymore. You can literally just log on. You can learn at any time in your own home if you feel like it. So let's go to themcstudio.com. And first things first, we will go to the home menu here. It takes a second to boot up, and we added this logo in here because this is a dedicated server. It's huge. But the great thing about that is that it's super fast. There's tons of videos on here, so I wanted to make it big. All right, so we'll go to sign up. That's real easy. We'll go to register since this is our first time. Then we're going to click on register. All right, now once we logged in here, it landed me on the subscriptions, but you can go to my courses. Now, if you go to the guitar course, you will get a 7-day free trial. So if you go to and click on start course, you'll go to view. Let's see, added it to your cart. So go to view cart. All right. Now, this is going to give you a week for free, so please do check it out. And even if you don't want to keep it, just check it out, see if you like it. I'm telling you, it's awesome. So we go and we click start course. You just fill this out with your address, and then we do require a card number to make the account to get in. And the reason is it keeps us. You don't have to pay, you could cancel before the week, but this keeps us away from fraudulent accounts. It keeps us, make sure you're legitimate and that I'm legitimate. Anyway, and after you put that in, you'll hit sign up now. And then you will have access to the guitar course. All right, now that we've signed up, we'll go to start learning on the guitar course. And like I said, as long as you cancel within your 7 days, you won't pay a thing. Okay. All right, so there are 4 different categories here: beginner, intermediate, professional, and legendary. Beginner is obvious, and then intermediate's gonna have things that can challenge about anybody. But professional is going to be for advanced players. Legendary is a category where I go over, like, let's just pick one out of here, Eric Clapton, a legendary guitarist. It's going to tell you all about him, what he does well, and it's even going to tell you what he, like, let's go and click on Eric Clapton's course here. So just to show you an example, so I'm gonna have old videos of them, and if I could find it, even an interview of them and things like that, but it's gonna tell you all about him. So and then on the next segment, we're gonna have all of their gear. So Clapton's equipment list, everything they use on stage and playing live. And I did this for a ton of artists: Joe Bonamassa, Jimi Hendrix, Slash, Molly Tuttle, Tommy Emmanuel, Tony Rice, Vince Gill, Zach Wilde. There's a ton of them. BB King. And so this is going to be helpful for anyone because you can always learn from the greats. You know, Clapton did a really good job in the rock era or alternative rock era genre, and you could definitely learn from him. Anyway, so we'll go to beginner and we'll let's just go to finger placement. We'll check that out. All right. And for the right hand, if I'm finger picking, which we'll learn all about that later too, I will place my pinky on the pick guard, and I'll place the back of my palm on the bridge, not muting the strings. Now, if I'm strumming though, okay, anyway, you can expand, you can even speed up the video or slow it down, or anything you want to do. I have a guide that goes with each video. It's going to tell you all about it. And there's even comment sections, there's review sections, there's quizzes, there's a ton of stuff on here. What I love, you can go to tools and resources. Let me show you that. So tons of charts and scales, and here's the circle of fifths. And here's one that it just depends on whatever mood you're in. You can play these chords when you're sad, or these chords when you're feeling neutral, or these when you're feeling happy. Just anything to help you along the way. Strumming patterns for practicing bar chords, just anything and everything. Soloing, blues scales, even blank sheets if you wanted to make your own chord charts and stuff. Tons of stuff in here under tools and resources. And let's go to products as well. I have a lot of cool t-shirts. So you can show off your guitar playing skills. Let's go over to, let me show you the dashboard. I will go ahead and show you your dashboard. So you have a profile that you can create on here because you can collaborate with others. You can, there'll be quizzes, there'll be, you'll have your order history, Q&A, you can do reviews, or you can comment, or say somebody's having trouble with a certain song and they ask for help, you could totally go on there and comment if you wanted or help them. So it's a community, but also what I'll go ahead and show you this. So we'll go to my settings. Okay, so this is what you want to do. If you wanted to cancel, if say you don't like it or you don't have the money, you just hit cancel. Boom, it's that easy. I just want you to at least try it. I know that when you do, you're gonna love it. So also here's your payment methods right here. If you wanted to change that, you totally can. Addresses, account details, anything you want to do, logouts on here. Let me show you also, for those that are producers, I have a free plugin collection. It is huge and massive. It's an extensive research that I've done on all the free plugins that are out there. This is available to you for free. There's a ton of stuff on here. Let's go real quick. Let's go to start learning on, we'll go beginner, we'll go intermediate. For example, let's go dive into the blues. So this is going to be, there's subcategories in this section, a lot more than just what you see on the main page here. You can see that these are all subcategories of the blues and learning them. So we go in here and we play this video, and it'll tell you all about it. There's a ton of stuff in here, as you can see. Just give this a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. And the songwriting is also amazing. There's a lot of pro tips that you're really gonna like and appreciate in there. Anyway, that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, very user-friendly. That's what I've tried to go after here. So try it out and get back with me. Let me know, give me some feedback. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And always remember, never give up and never stop learning.